Gayatri. In this video, we are going to see how to properly share an ETAP project with all the required components like libraries, macros, scenarios, rule books, protection graphs, etc. so that the receiving engineer or consultant can open and use the project without errors or missing data. Let's get into the video. First, go to File, click Email Project Files. A dialog window pops up with three options: send by email, send by FTP, save on hard disk. Choose one based on how you want to share the project. Either you want to share it by email or upload it or save to USB or cloud. Let's see the first option. Choose send by email. Check the relevant checkboxes depending on what you want to include, like project files, project folder, libraries, rule book, TCC plot, data block. Give OK. Now you can directly send your ETAP project file to your consultant or the engineer. Now let's see the second option. Go to File, Email Project Files, Send by FTP. If you're sending your file to ETAP customer support, use the Send by FTP option, File Transfer Protocol option, directly from this tool. ETAP will automatically compress your project, connect to ETAP's FTP server and uploads the file securely to the technical support team so that the team gets everything they need to troubleshoot or assist you. The third option, Save on hard disk. If you choose Save to disk, a save window will appear. Select the folder and give the file a clear name. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you found this content useful. See you in another tooltip video.